Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat My AI not working on your iPhone. Snapchat My AI is a powerful AI chatbot powered by OpenAI ChatGPT. It can answer all your burning trivia questions, help you schedule activity, generate quick responses for your chats, suggest recipes and much more. However, in case Snapchat My AI chatbot is not working on your iPhone for some reason, I'll show you how you can fix it. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step is check your network connection. My Snapchat My AI needs to communicate with the Snapchat server before it can respond to your request. If Snapchat My AI fails to load up on your iPhone, there are chances that may be facing some network related issues that may prevent it from communicating effectively with the Snapchat server. If you want to avoid such issue on your iPhone, you must verify cellular data or Wi-Fi turn on before attempting to use Snapchat My AI. So make sure that you have a strong internet connections. If you are using Wi-Fi, you can switch to your cellular data. So make sure that you have a strong internet connection, and if it's still not working, then move on to the next step. The next step is force quit and restart Snapchat. Since My AI is a recently launched feature in Snapchat, it's fairly common for it to run into glitches that may prevent it from working correctly. If you want to prevent such glitches, your best bet would be to force quit Snapchat and relaunch it. You can open the app switcher, swipe up, and you can close the Snapchat completely. Then you can open the Snapchat again and go to My AI to see if it start working. And if it's still not working, then the next step is clear My AI data and Snapchat cache. Like most other apps on your iPhone, Snapchat also creates cache files to load content faster. However, if these files are somehow corrupted, it can cause several Snapchat features including My AI to malfunction. You can simply click on your profile and go to settings. You can scroll down and find clear cache or clear data. You can simply scroll down and you will see this clear My AI data. You can click on confirm, and you can also click on clear cache and click on clear, and then click on OK, and Snapchat will restart to see if it's working. And if it's still not working, then the last step is update and install Snapchat. Bugs or glitches within Snapchat can also prevent My AI from working on your iPhone. If you want to fix such glitches, your best bet will be to update Snapchat the latest version or reinstall if the update is not available. You can simply go to your app store and search for Snapchat and see if there is any update available. If you get the update, click on it, and if you have not the update available, you can go back to your iPhone home screen and hold on to the Snapchat and delete the app and install it again. So hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.